Hello, just wanted to follow up, show you the solution that I figured out for this. Thank everyone that helped out with their suggestions. And so here we go. So the objective of this application is that I need to scan evidence items that are on shelves in a property room to do an inventory. So I need to be able to scan a location and then scan all the items on that location. So think about a shelf, and then maybe there's 15 items on that shelf, and I need to scan all those. So the biggest hurdle I had is that I didn't want to have to interact with the application after every scan. And for the autosave, auto reopen to work, you can only have it on a form with one field to scan into. So that's the only way that it currently works. So here's where this is a solution I came up with. If somebody out there goes, hey, there's a better way to do that, please let me know. I'd be happy to entertain that. If it works better resources. So I have two tables, the location and items, and I associated those two. I show a relationship between the items and the location. You can see that here, items list, and here's the location, the reference. And I click on here. I did not make this true because I did not want that in the detail view. I did not want it to come up that you could add something from there because, again, the autosave, auto reopen doesn't work from that view. All right, so then the next thing I did was I created a slice because I needed a slice for that single entry, and then I'm going to associate this slice to a form. So I came in and items table, just listed the barcode, gave it full permissions here, and so then I came to here and I created a barcode entry reference view, and so then there's that barcode entry, there's the slice, did it in a form, and then I did autosave, auto reopen, so the scanning would work correctly. Then I created a behavior, and in this behavior I've got the location, so when a new item is created it's going to link to the form body barcode entry location, and then it's going to pass the location to that form. That's the action item. So then other thing to note is that in location I'm going to point to the item entry. So when I create that location, it's going to go to the item entry, and it's going to you'll see that action item created. So let's look at this. Let's walk through it real quick. So I got a location. I'm using a barcode scanner on a USB that's attached to my computer. I will be using Galaxy, like a Galaxy Tab, and it will have a wireless Bluetooth scanner attached to it. I've already done it. It works. One thing to note, I had a little confusion in the beginning, is that you don't have to use that scannable field, that checkbox for the field. You only need to use that if you're going to use the camera that's on your mobile device as your scanner. So this will work without having that checked. So we're going to scan location 1, and you'll see that it took me to the view, the item entry, and here is my inner barcode. And I have the option of interacting with it here as well. So we'll see that in a minute. So I'm going to come up here. So now I'm at the barcode entry form. And what this will allow me to do is just scan the items, and the autosave, auto reopen works and saves me a bunch of time. I don't have to interact with the device after every one. So I click cancel, and now you can see in location 1, I have those items. If you needed to interact with them, you could click on, if I didn't need that one, I could come in here and delete it. So now that one is gone. And there they are. So that was the solution that I've come up with. Again, if anyone sees anything or sees a more efficient way to handle it, please let me know. AppSheet, can't say enough about it. Discovered it on Wednesday when I was trying to figure out a solution for this client. I think this is going to work. So appreciate it. Thank you.